type of mask is this?
This is a CBD mint mask.
Oh.
So there's gonna be a little cold sensations, a little bit, but not too bad. Nothing can't handle. I wanted to do the honey and, well, it's a honey milk mask, but it went bad on me. I had to. That's the bad thing about using organic stuff. Yeah, you gotta use it quickly. Shit, that goes bad real quick. At least within 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks if you're lucky. Put a preservative like oil in it, then yeah, it'll last 3 weeks maybe. Because then it starts to smell rancid too. So oh shit, milk after a while plus honey here. Now I can use a milk powder that will last a lot longer, but it doesn't mix well. So then I don't have that type of machine that makes it mix like a homogeneous blender, how fast it works. So that's what I'll have to get, but a big one, like one that has industrial strength. And I don't have that kind of cash right
now. Okay, so I've been wondering this, and I just really want to know. I'm really curious. You don't gotta tell me if you don't want to, but I'm really curious.
no problem.
So you use like regular weed for the CBD oil, right?
So they don't care if it's legal or not. One way or another, they're gonna get their money. And it fucking sucks. Yeah, but that's where I get it.
Yeah, everyone was like that at some point. And they know that.
I agree.
They know that there's babies running around that don't know what they're doing yet.
I didn't understand the lighting procedures, like what lights you have to have, the wattage. Oh my lord. Yeah, so this is just a toner. Ready?
I need to go to the beach.
I knew something was wrong. It should be smoking, which it is now. Doing great. Not too hot. Okay, good.
No, that I like that. Where's the nearest Wawa at?
The one, Arundel Mills Mall.
Oh,
like,
shit.
let's just say you're going to it. Yeah, I know. So, well, no, don't you jump on 100 to go home?
I don't even remember. I don't even know right now. I don't think so, but I can't remember. It's annoying like scrounging together those quarters. That's
it
the only
is
thing.
right. That's why I always go to Wawa's.
Yeah.
And I'll just put in my GPS like, hey Siri, where's the nearest Wawa?
Yeah.
iPhone. Like, yo.
That's what I do too.
Yeah, I think the Arundel Mills one will be the closest one, which is not too far, but it's not like within 5 minutes. No, but it's free. Thank God. I can't, like you said, I can't stand putting in a whole $1.50 or $1.25, whatever the fuck it is. Like,
And all them quarters.
it's just crazy. Yeah. Was it a little hot on that side?
A little bit.
Broke out. And I will get like 1,000,001 comments talking about you did it wrong. Like, look, motherfucker, it's not like a class that they got this shit going. I can't. I would love to take a class, but unless I'm gonna go to China or Korea, Japan, maybe. But right now, I'm on my own.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it gets that hot. Okay, that's wonderful feedback. I'm glad you told me that.
Really hot. It's really hot.
Really? Okay, good. Oh, yeah, you're right. I can feel it on my fingers. Hair, let me know if it's too hot. Interesting. And you're right, it hot because it's like super smoking. It's like really, really coming out now.
Detox my head.
Super hot.
Now it feels good on the head because it's got the hair to protect you or whatever. Doesn't mean you feel like that.